The filter option in Gmail is actually a great way to organize your email inbox quickly. It's a great way to automate the organizations of the emails in your inbox. For example, let's say you want to unsubscribe from emails or these promotional emails. Now, instead of using a third-party app, simply come to the search bar and type in unsubscribe. Now, when you click on that, it's going to search all the emails in your inbox that has the word or the term unsubscribe. And usually it's the promotional emails, right? So these are the emails here. Well, the next thing you're going to do is to bring your cursor and go to the filter option here. Click on that. Now, I want all promotional emails that usually floods my inbox to go directly to the trash can when they come in. But the thing is, I don't really want all the promotional emails to go, right? So I'm going to come to where it says doesn't have. Then I'm going to type in a specific name like LinkedIn. I want promotional emails from LinkedIn. So I'm going to type it in here. And then next is to filter through the size. Now, do you want promotional emails with specific size to go to the trash can? Now, this is where you can set that up. If you want, for example, that promotional emails that are greater than maybe 10 megabytes should go directly to the trash can, or maybe less than even 8 megabytes or 10 megabytes should go directly to the trash can. So you can put that option here. Now, the date filter allows you to search for specific dates and month that the email has spent in your inbox, so that every email that has the word unsubscribe is going to be deleted, right? And for the search filter, you can now filter through different emails based on where they are or maybe the category that they find themselves in. For example, inbox, start, the different labels that they find themselves in. You can filter them here, and all the emails that come into that category that has the word unsubscribe, they're going to be deleted automatically. So I'm going to go for the promotion category, and once that is done, click the create filter. So this filter means that all the incoming emails that are up to 8 megabytes in size and that has the word unsubscribe, and also already existing emails in my inbox that I've made up to 24 hours or 1 day that has the word unsubscribe, and that I've also found in the promotional category, they are all going to be deleted or they're going to go to the trash can, except the emails from LinkedIn that is incoming and already existing emails from LinkedIn that has the word unsubscribe. All right, so once you're done with your filters, click create filter and then come here and click delete and click create filter. So it is now effective. Now, what if you want emails from a specific email address to be sent automatically to a specific label? Maybe you work with a client and you want all the emails from that particular client to go to that specific label so that you can easily access it whenever you want. Okay. Now, what you're going to do is to go to the search bar. You can type in the email address or you can just type in the brand name, right? Depending on what you guys talk about often, right? There should be something that you repeatedly repeat often when you're having a conversation with this person, right? So I'm going to be typing the brand name of this particular client as an example. And when I click the search bar, you're going to see all the emails, right, that has that particular keyword. So those are the emails I need. Now, these are all the emails with this particular keyword. Next, click on filter, click create filter, and you can now style this email, all the emails from this particular address. You can apply labels, send it to a particular label. You can make sure it never goes into spam or categorize it into primary, right? So you can do all of that using this filter option so that any incoming emails from that particular email address is going to follow that filter. If you have any question, feel free to leave it in the comment section. I will gladly respond to all your questions. Thank you so much for watching the video right up to now. And if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And of course, do not forget to smash that subscribe button because that is how you're going to get updated every time I upload such videos. All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video once more. And thank you so much for watching. And as always, see you in the next video.